Hello children, I am your social teacher Vasanta. Today's topic is national integration. Children, the feeling of nationalism is present among the Indians. The nationalism was the motivation to the fight against foreigners' rule. Nationalism is the basic spirit for fight against British. So our country, so many people can sacrifice their life to our nation. Children, what is national integration? The situation where all the people of the country feel they are one, although there are differences with regard to race, religion, culture, and languages. The feeling of unity among the people is necessary to build a strong nation. Children, our country, seventh largest nation, ranking second in the world with regard to population, nearly 1652 languages. Among these, 22 languages have been given to official languages status by our constitution. Children, there are many facilities provided to every citizens. So we are enjoyed to practice the religion they desire. Hinduism, Islamic, Christianity, Buddhism, any religion we are practice and celebrate any festival. So providing all the citizens. Children, all the citizens have freedom to dress, eat, and enact with each other in the way they want. We are all follow the geographical and natural diversity also. Politically, we are all united and follow the same constitution. Children, in creating national integration, most important the factors promoting to national integration. Which are the factors? So, firstly, secularism. So, India is a secular country. It is not against any religion. Every citizen enjoy the freedom to practice the any religion he desires. India has not yet declared any religion as a national religion, but treats every religion as equal. So another one factors democracy. India is a democratic nation. All the citizens are equal before the law and fundamental rights, equal fundamental rights and directive principles of state policies, languages, culture, religion, all in our democracy. The fact of this rule have been enshrined in the constitution makes our country an integrated one. So another one most important factors national festival. So we are celebrate national festivals all the religion people, Independence Day, Republic Day, Gandhi Jayanti. So all the people will celebrate festivals regard their religion, language and culture. So another one most important factor our national symbols. So our national symbols are emblem like national anthem, national flag, national animal, national bird, national flower. Lot of religion is there, but we are creating unity. That's why we are celebrating and all the emblem that is our country's emblem. Another one interdependency. The central government and state government work together and common goal of the nation. So one country can produce wheat. Example, Punjab and Uttar Pradesh can produce more wheat. Can distribute it and dependency. Tamil Nadu also, Karnataka also dependent to wheat. So this is the interdependency. One person to another person, one state to another state. So it can help to each other. So this is the most important factors to promote national integration. Children, next class, what are the obstacles is there in creating national integration? So do the homework. So next class continue. Thank you.